Every second, a commercial aircraft takes off with our equipment on board. And with 2.5 million components in operation, every second counts. To keep more planes in the air and avoid unexpected disruptions, you need intelligence from every angle. Introducing FlightSense, an intelligent service offering from UTC Aerospace Systems. FlightSense is empowering intelligent aircraft by using physical data, statistical analysis, and machine learning to better sense and predict component performance. It's driving intelligent action by charting a path from problem to solution and putting expert insights at your fingertips. All backed by our integrated ecosystem of hardware, software, and services. It's building intelligent partnerships. Tapping our network of nearly 6,000 experts on the ground with eyes on the sky to tackle issues before there's a problem, and delivering the depth and breadth of service to meet your specific needs. And it's all powered by Ascentia, our prognostic health and management software that has delivered a 30% decrease in potential delays and a 20% decrease in unscheduled removals related to UTC Aerospace Systems components. Intelligent aircraft, intelligent action, intelligent partnership. Discover the evolution of intuitive maintenance with FlightSense, powered by Ascentia.